Hello students, last time we have discussed about the powder and now we are discussing about the mixture. So mixture is nothing but the combination of two or more chemical components. Aim: detection of given binary mixture. Preliminary test: color white, state solid, nature amorphous, order odorless, solubility insoluble in water, partially in dilute HCl. Flame test: aromatic acid, aromatic neutral. Next point is separation of binary mixture. Test: in a first step, in a test tube add pinch amount of given binary mixture and then add sodium bicarbonate to it. Observation: effervescence of CO2 appears. Result: acid is present. In a second step, the acid in a mixture is completely dissolved in sodium bicarbonate and residue is formed. Then filter it and remove the acid from sodium bicarbonate by adding it in dilute HCl. Observation: does not dissolve in NaOH. Result: base is absent. Next point is detection of elements. Preparation of sodium fusion extract of acid compound. Now consider the observation table. Test. Test for nitrogen. Take 1 ml of sodium fusion extract and add half ml of NaOH to it and 1 to 2 drop of ferrous sulfate. Result: nitrogen is absent. Test for sulfur. Take 1 ml of sodium fusion extract, add 1 drop of sodium nitroprusside in it. Yellowish red color is appear. Result: sulfur is absent. Now the test for functional group. Test for amine group. Substrate plus 3 times concentrated HCl, cool, dilute with water and add few drop of NaNO2 solution, then add few drop of FeCl3 to it. 5 ml of an ice cold solution of beta naphthol in NaOH. No colorization, NH2 group is absent. Test for COOH group. Take a pinch amount of compound in 1 ml NaHCO3 solution. Effervescence of CO2 observed. COOH group is present. Determination of melting point. The melting point of given acid is found to be 203 degrees Celsius. The given acid is maybe phthalic acid. Now the element detection. Preparation of sodium fusion extract. Test. Test for nitrogen. Take 1 ml of sodium fusion extract and add 1 ml of NaOH, then add 1 to 2 drop of FeSO4. Observation: dirty green color appear. Result: nitrogen present. Number 2. Take 1 ml of sodium fusion extract, add 1 drop of sodium nitroprusside. Observation: yellowish red color is appear. Result: sulfur is absent. Now the detection of functional group for benzamide. Test. Test for amide group. Concentrated HCl cool thoroughly, preferably in ice cold water, dilute with water, add few drop of NaNO2, then add ice cold solution of beta naphthol in NaOH. Observation: orange color appear. Result: NH2 group is present. Determination of melting point. The melting point of given compound is 75 degrees Celsius. The given base is benzamide. Preparation of derivatives. Derivative of phthalic acid is phthalic anhydride. Melting point is 195 degrees Celsius. Derivative of benzamide is benzoic acid. Its melting point is 122 degrees Celsius. Now the last point of this experiment is result. The given binary mixture contain one acid compound which is nothing but phthalic acid, melting point 203 degrees Celsius, one neutral compound benzamide, melting point is 75 degrees Celsius.